What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for watching and subscribing. We've got a great video for you guys today. We're going to be going over a new app that has launched for rideshare drivers. Before we jump into this, we just want to give a quick shout out to Play Octopus. Play Octopus is one of the most incredible services on the market for Uber and Lyft drivers. You get a really fancy tablet, attaches to the back of your headrest, and you get paid if people use that tablet. Now on that tablet, they can do a lot of different things, but the coolest feature is they can play games and they can actually win prizes for playing those games, like Amazon gift cards. And on top of that, you're getting paid if they are playing. So obviously it's an amazing service. It's great for your more introverted passengers that don't want to talk. It's a great conversation point. It's going to get you more tips as well and a higher rating and just overall give people a better experience. So check that out, guys. There's a link in the description below for it. All right, so let's talk about this new app. This is still pretty fresh. We've talked about it a little bit, not too much. It's called Solo. Solo is an incredible service. It's a tracking app, so it's gonna track all your expenses, gas mileage, pretty much everything. But on top of that, it's gonna get you guaranteed earnings. Now, it's pretty cool how that works. And if you guys would like, you can go to the website, put in your city, then you just put in a few other metrics, like if you do or don't track your expenses, and it'll tell you how much more you'll make a month if you're using Solo as a driver. But what's cool about it is they use real-time driver data to basically show you what you should make. So you guys are all familiar with how Uber's guarantees work. Usually they'll say, hey, we've got a guarantee this week for $1,000 if you give X amount of rides. And then if you give that amount of rides and you didn't make 1,000, but let's say you made 850, well then Uber will send you an additional 150 bucks to basically meet you in the middle with that difference. So with Solo, it's essentially the same thing, except you're getting it every single day. So this is an amazing thing because it helps drivers now kind of track more of what they should make per week for their bills and their expenses. Obviously, you can, kind of do it yourself and say, I want to make, $100 a day, 6 days a week, this week. But then the tough thing can be is there can be some weekdays, especially where it might be a little tougher to make $100, especially depending on your availability. So now you can put what you want to make. It's going to tell you what you should make for those hours, for your market, for that amount of rides, etc. And then if you don't get that, you're gonna get the difference. So obviously that's a really, really good feature, something that we've all wanted for a long time. I've joked a lot that this is what all those drivers that essentially went on strike to get some type of guarantee. And obviously I'm joking that was more for them wanting minimum wage for some very, very strange reason. I don't think any of us really understand that weird group of drivers, but it's just something funny I say. So anyways, guys, you should definitely check it out. There's a link in the description below. On top of that, if you use our link for Solo, you're gonna get $10 just for signing up. They are pretty new. They're not in every market, but the more of us that can sign up, they can expand quicker and quicker and quicker. So you guys really should get on that. But they are in most markets, so it is worth checking out. And the best part is it's free. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. Check out Solo and definitely check out that feature they've got on their website so you can see how much more you'd make a month using it. Don't forget to look into Play Octopus as well. We've got that linked as well. Another amazing service. Again, you're talking a free tablet that makes you more money. I can't think of any reason why you wouldn't do that, and I can't think of any reason why you wouldn't take the $10 for signing up for Solo. So again, thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. I hope you guys crush it out there this week, and we will talk to you guys soon.